Made in New York movie premiere at the Bombay Theater in Queens.
The movie was kind of sickening. I feel nice, I feel proud of myself and also one of the people that come and support me.
We conclude our Southern Queens Color in Black art series. Highlights from A Taste of Times Squares with celebrity chef Patrick Simpson on this week's Inna the Kitchen. The Bob Marley Brunch featuring Gary Nesta Pine on this week's Artist Spotlight.
I'm grateful to have participated in this Bob Marley Brunch because, as you know, I was the lead singer for the Wailers.
You're watching Come Chat With Me, a Caribbean lifestyle magazine, and I'm your host, Ziggy Bless. Yeah, man, you don't know, come chat with me. Yeah, and we're there in the building today, the Bombay Movie Theater out here in Queens. Trust me, the movie made in New York, wonderful event, big turnout, not the ranks in the place, whole heap of artists, whole heap of superstar, the thing mad.
We're at the premiere of the fantastic movie called Made in New York. I never thought I'd see this day would come, do you know what I'm saying? But I'm very, very excited. And as Ziggy scans and pans around the theatre, the lobby, you'll see how many hundreds of people showed up this evening. Punzella was a murderer, all right? She had a major part in the movie, and I was blessed to meet her during my day of filming in the Hamptons, right, where the beautiful Punzella resides. Give the viewers a twirl. Let them see your wonderful, sexy body. Do you know what I'm saying? Your beautiful hair. Do you know what I'm saying? And just let the listeners know, is this your first time acting?
Yes, my first time.
How did you feel to be having such a major role in this movie?
Just being myself. This is how I am, as you see me in the movie.
You don't look like a murderer.
Made in New York movie, me I tell you, the movie go on good, and more of the people them come out and come support it because the lifestyle of about Jamaica. Just come out, come support it, man, because it's a good movie and all the Pamaral and them today. Check it. Come chat with me. Dan IJ says so.
We're there at the Bombay Theater, you know, at the screening. At the Made in New York, you know, and it was a blast, you know, turnout, well, you know, it's happening, the people them love the film and thing, you know, very entertaining.
Together we was trying, and see I'm out to you, honey, to be by your side. Your dreams are my dreams, and your pain, my pain. We built a love of a lifetime. My lover, you're also my friend, and we as my God. I bury my friend.
Hi, what's up? I'm Luna Pearl. I was Mr. Big Honey Dip #2, I guess. And you know, it was a pleasure being able to be here for the Made in New York premiere. It was a great movie. The actors did a wonderful job. Director Papa Lova did a great job.
The movie was wonderful. I get to see all the members, all the celebrities. Big up Frankie Paul, rest in peace. I enjoyed it. Jamaica, the world, the Caribbean. This is the movie. You have to see this one. You have to support this one. Support our independent filmmaker, Papa Lova. You don't know.
Just in stage name that. I know yet. You know the thing, man. It takes time. Besides, if him boss or not, I still love him.
Big up Made in New York. Yeah, real deal. Next chapter, right behind. Support CMT. Same way. Dream. Team, make it work.
First and foremost, big up Come Chat With TV. Second of all, I gotta give it up to Papa Lova. He's a hard-working person behind the scene with all the work. Sometimes we have nothing in the stomach, but we get it going. Big up to all the cast members who support us and the fans and people who come out to see us. Big up yourself to Ziggy, right? So, Papa Lova, much love.
Made in where? New York. I don't know. If you know a loose cannon out of Grenada people, it's a kind of sick job. And the movie was kind of sickening. Bad movie. Yeah, man, I would say. Wicked movie.
We play the Babylon now. Me at the Babylon now. Yeah, man, I may shoot myself I'm like, you know, man. It's me a limp, you know, man. I may take away money, you know, man. I may say one, man. Kadar, the briefcase of money. Money up. to the world.
The movie was beautiful. I enjoyed every moment of it. And I see myself in there. I'm a superstar. Whoop, whoop.
Yeah, man, me name Fox from the movie Made in New York. I'm Mr. Crimin from Illegal Activity.
All the people them come and enjoy it and love it to see it. Yeah, man, definitely. That's what I do it, man.
I was Mr. Big's trophy girl, and I thought the movie was great. A lot of laughs and a lot of drama and suspense. It was wonderful.
One day, man, I find one. Man, I search out like a blind man. One day, I go book me two on a diamond. If me used to sleep, I go young me, I go buy a divan. One day,
hey, DJ Chromosome. That boy, like, you know, want to play me some big tune, you know. I mean, when DJ Chromosome, you have to pay me.
How are you?
I mean, oh me, no matter oh me. The business, Mr. Biggs tune for play.
Well, anything Mr. Biggs wants to play for yourself.
Mr. Biggs the play, the play. No, DJ, I get this. Yo,
I was made in New York. I cannot break in New York. I will not be afraid in New York because I'm made in New York.
It was beautiful. I loved the action. I loved the romance. I loved, you know, everything about it. It was a great movie, and everyone should come out and, you know, come out and see it. It's worth it, you know?
Yes, I'm Acid, made in New York. I played the friend to Rapunzel. I took revenge for her killing. Yeah. And the movie was great. It was awesome. This is my first time acting.
Made in New York. Trust me. Even though I'm one of the actors in the movie, I was full of surprise. It's like adventure upon adventure. I'm talking about a million stories being told in one. And trust me, this talented guy. Talk to them.
I'm not tell a lie. Hold on there. Before I go no further, yo, Ziggy Bless. I want to big you up. I want to say thank you very much. Yeah? From the start, you always did and support me from before trailer make till after trailer make until promotion time and everything. So first of all, I want to say thank you for that. You know me, I say, and respect for that. And second of all, I want to say thank you to the whole of the people them. Yo, me feel nice. Yo, me feel proud of myself. You know, say the whole of the people them come and support me. And you know me, I say, and you know them have a joy and them enjoy the movie. It's a Hungry Man film production. You know, so remember say we still hungry. So when time we make the money, you are gonna see better production and better stuff and more unity and more people and just more everything. So yeah, man, come chat with me all the time and watch it on Sunday. Cause yo, we have to big up the people that we're big way up. See?
At the after party we say, you know. So keep it like right as so. Come chat with me, man. Boom.
Go pop up in our mesquite and every man run glass and machine. But you all love me and need strange things are happening. Before me leave, I got me up to say one prayer. Repent for my heart and soul. Before me leave, God, me talk to my father. No more brothers and sisters get locked up and gone to jail. They look like I'm rolling, them I'm bleach. And them I'm bleach out, them skin, them I'm bleach. All of that. Who are they at the look? Cause you know bleach out, they say. You know the head, and you know like I'm
first passion is the buildings. I love buildings. They're called first facades. And I have a collection called Urbane, that's Urbane facades. And they depict areas in Brooklyn, Bronx, Harlem, Queens. I do buildings, I do churches. And then my second gift, if you want to call it that, is painting. And that's only been for the last 3 years. This bicycle took me 3 years to create.
You're a painter, right? What you say, an artist painter? What do you call it?
Regularly a painter, plus artist, because I do other things like, pertaining to the art, like bookmaking, graphics, t-shirt printing, originally silk screen printing, I have a lot of years doing silk screen printing, I went to Haiti on a cruise, and the people come to the dock at the ship side and we're dancing. So I just snap the picture and I come and, produce it. This is an African lady, and I put my own spin on it, It was all different. If you notice, I get a picture which it was off, and I put on the bottom there, the legs, and, nice it up,
The Sister Girls is an environmental organization with young girls and boys leading the way to save the planet. We do a lot of environmental activities like beach cleanups, presentations, things like that. These are all using recycled materials, just showing that whatever you have around your house, you can make art with. Nice. So this is a pair of wings I already had covered in newspaper and embellished with bottle caps, buttons, some tissue paper we had around the house, and things like that.
This is aluminum foil and plastic, which is showing that these items are very dangerous for the environment.
I just want to say a little bit about Sister. Sister, CISTA means commit to good health, invest in yourself, share with others, team up, and activate a positive plan that meet and talk to people every day. So the sister organization is, as they said, about environmental products and programs, and we're involved with this because we had an annual event that was called Save Our Monarch Butterflies, and out of this we got invited to participate in this event where we now, our sister girls, are creatively put these butterflies together in an environmental way.
Let's talk about your art a little bit. This one right here. What is it all about?
It's about how everybody comes together to make an identity just who you are. It's not just one race, it's every single race that makes you who you are.
I'm so excited. This is my first exhibit using photography like it's a painting.
You're right, because I have to look real good and wonder if it's a painting. But it's actually, all of these right here are photography pictures, right?
Yes, they are. They are all taken at a dance by a dance group here in Queens called the VC Dance Company. Okay. And hopefully they all convey women as fierce people.
I've done a lot of artwork before, but I'm really starting to come back into it again. And I love water lilies, so it just came out just beautiful when I did it.
I've been actually doing photography for many years, but I got into creative photography when my son invited me to do back of the house, and then it took off from there. So thank you, Tyron Mays.
I'm always looking for new artists to come to SQPA to have their art showcased in our exhibit. I love working with the artists, and we welcome everyone in all mediums.
All right, guys, so this is another year at Taste of Times Square. And as you see behind me right now, my station is still getting hit right now. We've been super busy. From we started at like 3:30, 4 o'clock, we've been busy, double lines. So I think we're gonna get best in Taste of Times Square. In the kitchen. Every year, the Taste of Times Square is where all the restaurant, and most of the restaurant at least, come out in Times Square and they showcase some of their favorite stuff that's on their menu.
This is the best banana cheesecake that Planet Hollywood ever invented.
going to show you now what's going on. Now you're at my booth, the Sony Hall. Right here we have Sony Hall. You see we have the Walker's Wood right here, the Walker's Wood product. Plus we also have the jerk, which we're featuring today from the jerk chicken. We have Coco over here grilling the jerk chicken. My guys over here are so busy. Carmelo, we're good? All right.
So Sony Hall used to be Diamond Horseshoe, which was a speakeasy back in the early 1900s. It reopened about 10 years ago as Diamond Horseshoe. We took it over last year. We're Blue Note Entertainment Group. We book a lot of different music from back in the day to new and up and coming artists.
Yes.
We're open almost 6-7 days every week.
Nice.
10 shows a week, live music, private events,
Nice.
late night parties,
Yep.
and the best chef in the business.
And we have a full menu inside. We have a full menu,
full dinner,
and a beautiful
full
bar.
kitchen, full bar.
Yeah. You see my chef right here? All right, come. You're gonna hold it like this. And you're gonna pick it up and turn it. No. Nice. Do this one. Do that one. You got it? Flip him over. All right, one more. Yeah. Got it. Beautiful.
Stir it up, little darling, stir it up. Come on and stir it up. Oh, little darling, stir it up.
Yo, this is Gary Nesta Pine. And me and my boy sitting here chilling. What's your name, man?
Gabriel.
That's my son, Gabriel. Listen, Bob Marley Brunch thing was a wonderful thing. It's a wonderful thing. The crowd is beautiful, and the vibration is sensational. You can't get this anywhere. You can't buy this kind of vibration. You know what I'm saying? You can't. I'm grateful to have participated in this Bob Marley Brunch because, as you know, I was the lead singer for the Wailers for about 7 or 8 years. But it's a pleasure for me to do the last birthday thing for this year. You understand me? So I give thanks and praise for the opportunities that the Wailers has given to me, that Bob Marley and his family have given to me. You know what I'm saying?
And then you pick it up already and it gone down your belly and I whoa.
I actually have an album out called Revelations. I put it out like 2 years ago. So I'm going to be putting out singles until I'm ready to put out the album. And I'm also an EDM singer, which means a lot of people don't know that. But we talk about that another time. But we just say, give thanks and praise. And we're thankful.
I know Jah never let us down. Tell you right from wrong. I know Jah never let us down. Oh no, oh no.
You want to say something?
Hi, I'm 8.
That's it. That's all you're getting. But we say give thanks and praise. Thank you for the people. Thank you for the good vibration at the City Winery. Yeah? I thank you, I thank you, I thank you.
Thanks for watching Come Chat With Me. See you next week.
Jamaica is a nice place to live. We have everything, the sunshine, the rivers, and the good Ray and Nephew rum.
Simply Kills.
Come chat with me.